The weather has been so awful this winter. So when we had the first signs of it becoming a little bit more settled, I thought now is the time to try out the motorhome. This is the first trip this year, so we decided to take a couple of days away to sample a site I've been meaning to go to for a long while. It's perched right up on the cliff top, overlooking the bay, towards Tintagel, a place called Trewethett. It's a caravan and motorhome club site. The first stop, though, was to fill the water tank. They're a busy lot around here, trimming all the grass, as they must have known we were on our way to visit the site. Got to keep it all up nice and neat around the edges. He's doing a good job. Ah, here we are. That's better. I can see the chocolates and the red wine. I can see we're in for a relaxing time. And boy, it was a relaxing time. What a beautiful sunset. Ah, there's Heidi again, taking it all in her stride. Quick pic of the service point behind us, with showers and toilet block, with a disabled toilet. Not many on the site, but it's still only April. Here we are on top of the world. I must say, the Elders is pretty fantastic in my book, with having the rear window to look out onto the magnificent views. Much better in my view than having to look out the front cab windows. The weather was supposed to be sunny, but we arrived and it was still a little bit overcast, but it was still warm, no having to wear thick layers of woolly jumpers. Well, I was lucky on my birthday. My dear precious friend bought me a drone to take a few aerial shots. So I did decide to take it up for the first flight, and I thought I should test the controls, making it go from side to side, frontwards and backwards and up and down. I was surprised at how steady it was in flight. It's amazing technology. What a good picture it was taking too. I didn't want to take it up too high on the first flight, as I'm only a beginner. So I think with practice, these sort of aerial shots hopefully will get better in the future. And I didn't really want it hurtling into the sea. It was pretty amazing. In case anyone's wondering, it's the DJI Mini 2 SE. And in my book, I think it's fantastic. I've looked at all the reviews and people testing it out to see what it's capable of doing, and it is an amazing drone. Well, just sit back and enjoy the rest of the footage and relax.